All right, so today I'm taking a look at Under Armour shorts, and I'm wearing these now, and I've actually been wearing these for, I don't know, something like a month or two now, and basically I just wanted to try it and see if I like it, and it turns out I love it, so I got 3 more pairs. So I'm wearing it right now, and I'm using the same color. This is the blue. I think it's Academy blue. You can see it's a pretty dark blue. It's actually darker than what's showing up on the camera, so it's pretty close to that. So the biggest thing for me is that they're comfortable. I mean, they're comfortable and they feel extremely light. Like compared to the other shorts that I've been wearing, these are excellent. They hold up really well. They feel great, but also they make them in tall size. Now I'm pretty tall and I don't like showing my knees, right? I don't like feeling like I'm in a mini skirt. These things actually come down, they cover my knees, and I'm a big boy, so this is a 3X, which it works great for me. So I mean, I'm a big boy, plus I'm tall, and these actually look good on me, so that's important. And the next thing is the waist material that you're using, the elastic. I can put my phone in it, and I can put my wallet and my keys, and they don't start sagging down, which is a big problem that I have with shorts. With these, that's not a problem. So that's a big deal. So now I have 2 of the blues, and then I just decided to get 2 of the blacks. Doesn't have any of the lines, it's just pure black. Now it feels like silky smooth. I love the material that they use. So yeah, great shorts, and I'm definitely going to be using these from now on.